guys, it's your girl Chrissy J back at it again with another video. And today guys, I am doing a sleigh day tutorial for you guys. That's right y'all, I'm giving it to y'all straight. So let's jingle bell rock right into this tutorial.
That's so fucking lit. Bitch, give a fuck, got a nigga.
Alright guys, let's get this tutorial started. I'm going to start with my Too Faced Poreless Primer. Well, if I can get it out the bottle. And I'm just going to smudge some parts of it all over my face. I have super oily skin, so this just helps keep it nice and matte. I'll be using my Afrique palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to start by taking that brown color, and I'm going to just take my Techniques brush and just tap 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 all over my lid. That's right, like Meek said, tap 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 tap. Don't be the girl that windshield wipes, just tap. So now I am taking a darker brown called Cameroon, and I'm applying it right on top of my lid, on top of that lighter brown. Again, I am tapping, guys. Alright guys, so now that that nice color is spread up against my lid, it's time to make this look more holiday. So I'm going to go ahead and take this cranberry color, and I'm going to start just applying it all over my lid. I love how it meshes with the other colors, like it just goes so perfectly. And again guys, I'm just tapping that with a Real Techniques brush, and I'm putting it all over my lid and just making sure it is nice and spread, and yeah. Now that that red is nice and spread, I'm gonna go back and take Cameron and just touch up the tops of my over eye. I just want to make sure that everything is nice and blended. But on another note, I love Juvia's Place and how their makeup is super pigmented. Like, it looks so great. Oh my gosh, yes, yes. Now we're going to take LA Pro Concealer in the color of Nude, or just get a color that's lighter than you. And I'm going to do my cut crease trick, and y'all already know what the deal is. We're going to apply it to your eyelid if you have hooded eyes, and then you're going to look up and outline the C. That's what I call it, and that's how you get your cut crease, baby. So now I'm going to take that cranberry color, I'm going to apply it to the outer parts of my lids, just making sure that the color is nice and pressed. I really want to make sure that the crease is defined. So now I'm going to take that glittery cranberry color, I forgot the name, and I'm going to just start applying it in the middle of my lid. It's going to give my eye a pop, a sparkle, and I think the color is absolutely beautiful, especially along this nice white base. So again guys, we're just tapping, just making sure that all particles of the makeup is nice and pressed and super matte and even. I'm going to take this gold liner I got, and I'm going to literally apply it to where I did my cut crease line. Guys, this glitter liner was literally $1 from the beauty supply store. Y'all know me, beauty on a budget. And this gold liner is just going to give my look just a little wham bam, you know what I'm saying? Make me look a little extra fancy, you feel me? And now I'm going to just take my e.l.f. black liner and just to apply a simple eyeliner look on top of my lash line. Alright guys, so now I'm trying my Juvia's Place foundation, and guys, this is my first time actually trying this foundation in this video, and I love how it feels. It feels super velvety and matte, but disclaimer, I do know that the shade is a bit darker than my skin tone. I'm guessing this is what my skin tone would look like in the summer, but right now I guess my skin is a little light. You know, it's the winter, you feel me, lack of sun, but I still feel like the color looks pretty good. But I know it's darker than me, guys, so don't kill me for it. Now I'm taking my Juvia's Place concealer and I'm applying it under my eye to kind of offset how dark my foundation is. The concealer, though, I will say is my color, and it's really full coverage. I really love it. Now I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty satin powder in the color of nutmeg, and hopefully this also takes away from the foundation being a little bit too dark. And I'm just placing it in all the places that I concealed. It's lash time, and the lashes I'm wearing today is my Icon Beauty lashes, and I'll tell you more about them later on this video. Lashes are on, and I'm just taking another Real Techniques brush, and I am just brushing off that excess powder and just making my skin even. Now I'm just going to take my highlight brush and apply some highlights on my cheekbones, nose, and under my eye. Now we're going to do a brown liner around the lip. We're going to do some clear lip gloss, a touch up, and boom, we got our look, y'all. To shout out my eyelash sponsor, Icon Beauty. They sent me 2 beautiful lashes in a beautiful bag, and I love their lashes so much. I'm currently wearing Harper B. Just look at them, look at the band, love them. Look them up on Instagram. I'm going to include the link in my bio. Well guys, thanks so much for watching, and a Merry Christmas to all of you guys who are still here supporting me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the rest.